when I came to the South, I thought that houses didn't need to be built as well as the Northeast. Completely wrong. Because in the Southeast, we have heating and cooling.
Yeah.
And pollen and polluted air. So our houses have to be more energy efficient, but not only that, but air sealed. We don't want Atlanta pollen in our house. So this is probably, okay, this is October, guys. We just turned off our air conditioners, right?
Yeah.
Actually, as a matter of fact, I think our air's still on at night because it's a little muggy. So you're running your heat or air conditioner, and then we get maybe the end of this month where we're not running anything.
Right.
So basically 11 months we're either heating or cooling. In the Northeast, we're just heating. Yes, there's air conditioning too, but more formally in the Northeast, it's just heating loads. Mm-hmm. Southeast, extreme heat, extreme cold, pollen, polluted air. So our houses need to be air sealed, much better than the Northeast.
And one of the quickest, simplest things I think that people can do to upgrade their house and maybe even get some, I'm not sure about it, maybe some rebates from like Georgia Power is new windows, right?
Well, yeah, there is, each energy supplier has programs. So Georgia Power had something called the Earth Sense. Cobb EMC had another program where you have to get a test done prior and then post renovations. So foaming roof lines. As a matter of fact, Georgia Power was given $100 if you took your old thermostat and put a programmable one in.
Wow.
Yeah, most people don't know that. Windows are, unfortunately, a large investment, and the return on investment isn't as good. Don't be fooled by big advertising. If you want windows to be a big energy improvement, do the windows yourself. They're easy to do. Google it. Home Depot sells replacement windows. I'm giving away a lot of trade secrets right now. You know, you don't need to pay a lot of money. Hey, if you like what you saw, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.